Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and I am so excited because today I am with Cindy with Riverside Homes, and Cindy is going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home that they currently have available in Seabrook Village. So Cindy, please tell us what address we're at and where we're at.
Yes, thank you guys so much for coming out. We are at our beautiful Liberty quick move-in home at 928 Caiden Drive in Seabrook Village.
Wonderful.
Thank you. So as you can see, this is one of our most spacious and bright and airy floor plans. We've got such a great space for entertaining, wide open. The nice big sliders, all of the windows, so much natural light happening
it's so
in
light
here.
and bright in here.
Yes.
And the floors warm it up so beautifully against all this white. It's stunning.
Yes. And then, of course, all of the designer detail touches that we put into all of our homes, where you're going to have, your soft close, doors and drawer details, beautiful quartz countertops here in the kitchen, nice big walk-in pantry.
Love that.
And again, this is the same floor plan as one of our model homes that we have in Reflections. So you can see a furnished version of this if it would help you or your buyers visualize the space a little bit better. We've got a really nice size dining area here.
This is big.
Tons of space. Nice big family room that opens up to the outdoors. This backyard is a really great size, plenty of opportunity for future outdoor living. And it's not here yet, but there will be a nice privacy fence that's installed along the back. And these are some of the only type of home sites where you can actually have privacy fence on all three sides.
Wow.
So if you've got those fur babies or little ones that you want to keep wrangled in, this
That's
is
a
one of the
perfect
lots
way
you
to
can
do it.
that. Yeah.
Awesome. Great backyard size. Love the lot. I know Carling's about to pan, but this is truly just such an open space, great for entertainers. And it seems like all the bedrooms are upstairs, so I can't wait to see those.
Yeah, let's go take a look.
It's nice to have a little party down here in the living upstairs. You can sleep and not hear all of your friends and family when they're over, so that's great.
That's right. And we also have the powder bath here at the front. So when you do have guests over, they're not, using the same bathroom as your kids and things like that.
Absolutely.
Or your owner's bath.
Going into the garage, we've heard there's some very special things in here that Cindy wants to show us.
Right, yeah. So in here, you've got your two-car garage, but it's not your average two-car garage. It does have space where you can house your golf cart.
Love that.
Which we know how important that is here in Nocatee. And then we also have this extra little bonus storage here. And you can see that is actually a conditioned space. You can't feel it through the camera, but that is conditioned.
That's super nice.
You can keep.
That was great because a lot of times when a stair is going like that, you just miss the space, but you guys did not, so that's awesome.
Exactly. No wasted space.
Okay. Now, how many bedrooms and bath is this home?
So upstairs, we're going to have 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths.
Okay.
And then, of course, your powder bath downstairs that we just saw.
Okay, awesome. And one thing I do want to know about this home is you are so close to Seabrook Park, which is the newest amenity here in Nocatee. So it's literally walking distance. You can see it outside of the front door, which is so great. And then, of course, all the other amazing amenities that Nocatee has.
Yes. So now we are in the front 2 bedrooms. Lots of windows, again, with plenty of natural light in here, and also just a little bit of charm and character in those bedrooms.
These have to be the cutest bedrooms I've literally ever seen. Perfect for a kid's room, perfect for obviously a teenage room, an office. I don't know, I just love them. I love the little windows. I love the ceiling and the angle of those. And then of course the walk-in closets are a great added bonus.
Definitely. And then outside of these 2 bedrooms, there is a shared bath in the hall.
Perfect.
So it's a nice spacious bathroom, lots of counter and cabinet space for storage in there. And of course, beautiful design finishes in there as well. And our laundry room is upstairs. Note all the bedrooms are upstairs, and that's where all the laundry's made. So we've got that upstairs too for convenience.
That's perfect. Love the pocket door as well. Lots of storage too. As we're going through, you're going to see doors As we're walking through, you're going to see that. And those are all storage spaces.
Yeah, we're not opening all of them,
No.
but there's linen closets for days here. Now, this is such a perfect little space. This has got its own private bathroom. So we've got a guest suite, or, you know, if you have that teen that's a little more independent, needs their own privacy and space, this one's got its own bathroom.
I love that. This is perfect. Yeah, this would be great for if you've got a parent who lives with you, or a teenager or a college student.
Yes.
That would certainly be a great place to put them in here. So love that. And I love the extra storage here on the right as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then back again out to the loft area. So this kind of gives you another little hangout space. You could use this, you know, for another TV viewing room, a kid's playroom, a home office here as well, if you didn't need it to be completely closed off.
It's large too. I love that.
Or a home gym.
Yeah.
I mean,
that's a good point.
You know,
yeah. Absolutely.
Everybody are into fitness these days. You could
another
do
closet
that.
right in front as we walk into the owner's retreat.
Yes, and this is the wow in this house too. This owner suite stretches the entire back of the house.
Wow.
So
beautiful. Again, very light and airy and bright with all the windows. Love the tray ceiling, of course. Stunning. Very, very spacious as well.
Right. Yes. And in this room, I mean, I feel like there's multiple bed walls. Where you don't always find that.
Yes,
you
I
know,
was thinking about that. I was like, you could put it here, you could put it here.
Yeah.
I mean, really, if you want, you could get it,
put
squeeze it
there.
but
Yes. So if you're one of those ladies that likes to, or gents that likes to rearrange, this is like your dream
definitely
come true.
the home for you.
Yeah.
And this beautiful bathroom. I mean, my gosh.
Polished marble floors in there.
Beautiful.
And then, of course, lots of counter space and storage, cabinetry, big walk-in shower.
I love the layout of this bathroom. I love the his and hers.
Right? No bumping elbows in here. There's room for everyone.
I love that the shower is placed right in the middle. It's perfect.
And the nice window in the middle, letting in, again, more natural light.
Perfect if you do your makeup or anything else in the mornings.
And you can make sure your socks match.
Yeah. Now, Cindy, this home, it's one of your only quick move-in homes that you have available now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. You can move in.
That's right. So this home, you know, is obviously you can see it's ready now. This is going to be one of the only homes that we have that if you contact me today or tomorrow or this week, this realistically is a home that you could be in before the school year starts.
That's
so
awesome.
928 Caiden Drive could be your home address and get those kids registered for school.
Awesome. Well, that's very exciting, and that's interesting. That's one of the only ones they have available. Now, she was telling me earlier that Riverside Homes rarely has quick move-in homes that last. So if you are interested in this home, you definitely want to reach out to Cindy, and you definitely want to come see this beautiful home as soon as possible. So definitely reach out to her. But other than that, we hope you are having a wonderful day, and we'll see you guys next week.
Bye. Bye.